How to make a flicker text animation After Effects. This is a really cool effect to use for edits. And this effect is also very easy to make. You need to make first a text layer. Type the text what you want and set it in the middle with a line. You need also set the anchor point in the middle of the text. So now go to the effects and presets and search for typewriter. Add it on the text layer. Select now all the keyframes and make it easy ease. So as you can see, you have now a typewriter effect, but we need to make it random. So what we need to do now is go to the advanced and turn on the last thing. Make now here a keyframe of the seed. And make another keyframe here and make the value 150. Select now the keyframes and go to the graph editor. Make now your graph look like mine. Set the graph editor on the speed graph mode, so like I do. What you do now is copy and paste the first keyframes to the end. And make the graph look like mine. Now we need to add some glow for give it more effect. Go to the effects and presets and search for the plugin glow. Put the glow on the text layer and now you need to fine tune the glow, so like I do. I set the glow radius on 144 and the glow intensity on the value 0.4. There we go, you have now created a nice flicker text animation in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.